मिशन ऑक्सीजन ये मुहिम हमारे फाउंडर राहुल अग्रवाल जी के उससे की गई है। ये 800 कंसंट्रेटर्स अभी दिल्ली में आए हैं। ये सभी सरकारी हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल के अंदर, एनजीओ में फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट लोगों को दिए जाएंगे और 5-1000 पीस और आए हैं, वो भी लोगों को हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर दिए जाएंगे।
Mr. Agrawal, thank you very much for giving us time. This is very noble cause. You are importing this from abroad, and around 34 crore rupees have been spent over this. This will be handed over to everyone, be it a government hospital, be it a private institute, or be it a needy one. And I have seen Mr. Munjal and other teams doing this kind of charity in recent parts as well. Can you brief us how this will work?
See, basically the purpose of these oxygen concentrators is to supply oxygen to those patients in hospitals, nursing homes or COVID care centers where there is scarcity of oxygen, where there is a deficit right now. If you look at all the hospitals, especially in Delhi NCR or all over the country, we have right now more than 600 hospitals have approached us and they are requesting for more than 18,000 concentrators. So we've only been able to manage 6,000 because when there is no oxygen to be supplied to these hospitals, to these patients in these hospitals, then these oxygen concentrators are able to generate oxygen and give them to the patient so that the situation doesn't deteriorate.
No doubt this is a ray of hope for many COVID patients who are struggling to just live their life. How did this came into your mind, this idea of purchasing 6,000 oxygen concentrators, and how did you manage to gather such kind of huge amount?
See, in terms of idea was just with the feeling that we want to do something. We are all entrepreneurs. हमारे अपने businesses, we all have our businesses, and we've been doing our work. But over the last 10-15 days, the only thing that we've been trying to do is to get these concentrators into India so that we can save some lives. That's the main purpose behind this. And in terms of raising money, we all contributed from our side also. But I think the largely people from all over the world have actually come forward. They've donated. We have more than 35,000 donors right now who've contributed 34 crore rupees, and we've bought 6,000 concentrators from all of that. And these concentrators are all going to go as donations, free of cost, to all the hospitals that we are sending them to. So we're giving them to private hospitals, public hospitals, government, state government, central government, army hospitals, NGOs. So wherever the need is and wherever we can supply them. Obviously, we cannot fulfill the demand that is there today, but as much as possible, we're trying our best.
Last question I will take from you. How are you contacting the COVID centers, and what is your future course of action?
So we have already been contacted by a lot of COVID centers pan-India. Now these COVID centers are filling out this form. They're giving us a requirement. They're telling us how many beds do they have, how many requirement of OCs do they have right now, and how do they want to expand. Now we are speaking to all of them and we are assessing their requirement, and as per that we are assigning whatever allocation we can do right now. Because the requirement, as Rahul said, the requirement of OCs which we have gathered from pan-India is more than 18,000. We are only importing 6,000. So we are trying to maximize the impact wherever we can, and we give to all the COVID relief centers, hospital, nursing home, wherever we can in a maximum potential way.
Just confirm again that this is free of cost.
This is free of cost to everybody. We are not taking any money from anybody. We are donating it to all the hospitals, to charity, to COVID centers, to nursing home for free of cost. We are not charging anybody anything from this.